Hi, I'm Captain Salsa and I will give you today the preparation which comes from the shoulders and will help you with your steps. Look, if I want to use the basic step, 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 walk, step, step, walk, step, and plus your arms, how you can do that? Just like that. And if you use the prep which comes from your shoulders, prep to elbow, you can be able to be more active and you will control your body. Prep, step, prep, walk, prep, step, walk. You see? First is prep. Prep, prep, hop. You see? Step, step, step. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Prep. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I use my prep, my shoulders. This movement you can find on my course, How to Improve Your Body Isolation class from zero to hero. This is easy to understand. That must be like almost like the jogging. Click. Yeah? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next step is, of course, use the upper body. You can use the aid in your body. 1, 2, 3. But it's the same sort. And next is song. If you have 3/2 clave, I highly recommend dance on 1. And if you have 2/3 clave, I highly recommend mambo or on 2, and I will show you with the music. I, a, a, I, a, I, a, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And I will give you the system for mambo. It's the same movement, but of course it's different feeling. 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. Always is prep. 2, 3, 6, 7. Da 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 da. And I, con ki, 8 and 1, 4 and 5, 8 and 1. I, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Son, 2, 3, prep, 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 prep. Son nuevo. Date ki, con ki, con ki, and this system with the preparation will give you much more comfortable dancing. Will give you the active movement, because if you will dance without the prep, you will dance like the robots. Yeah, you can't create the volume, you can't create the speed, you can't create the space for your leading, for your partnering, space for dancing. Okay, I hope so that I help you a lot with this material. Don't forget about the subscribe and like and push bell button if you see my video on YouTube, and to the next class.